A very good morning to everyone, and I'm from Sjkt Ladang, Hitam. Today, I'm going to tell you about our solar system. Our solar system is in a galaxy called Milky Way, and there's about hundreds of billion solar systems in our Milky Way galaxy, and one of them is ours. In our solar system, there are a star, 8 planets, millions of asteroids, dwarf planets, moons, comets, and dust. Next, this is our star. A star is a huge ball of hot gas that is held together by gravity. Our star, known as the Sun, is about 5,727 Celsius on the surface and about 15 million degrees Celsius in the core. Our Sun is 4.603 billion years old. Our Sun gives us light and heat. Next is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun, and it is the second hottest planet in our solar system. It takes about 88 Earth days to rotate the Sun and 59 Earth days to rotate on its axis. Next is Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, because it has a lot of active volcanoes and a lot of carbon dioxide, which can trap heat from Sun. And Venus is unusual because it spins the opposite direction of Earth and most other planets. It takes about 243 Earth days to spin on its axis and 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Now, let's talk about our Sun. A star is a huge ball of hot gas that is held together by gravity. Our star, known as the Sun, is about 5,727 Celsius on the surface and 15 million degrees Celsius in the core. The Sun is about 4.603 billion years old. Our Sun gives us light and heat. Next is Earth, our home planet. It's the only planet in our solar system that has living things and plants, as far as we know. It's the third planet from the Sun. The Moon orbits the Earth, and it takes 27 days to orbit the Earth, and it's one planet in our solar system. Next is Mars, known as the Red Planet. It is minus 65 degrees Celsius. It takes 24.6 hours to rotate on its axis and 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. It has two moons, which is Phobos and Deimos. Next is asteroid belt. The asteroid belt has about 1.1 to 1.9 million asteroids in it, and the biggest asteroid in it is Pallas. Next is the biggest planet of our solar system, Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun. And Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 12 Earth years. It's a gas giant planet. It has 79 moons, and the biggest moon is called Ganymede. The scientist says that Jupiter is a failed star because it has the same basic elements as a star. Next is Saturn, the second biggest planet in our solar system, and is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is also known for its big rings around it, which is full of pieces of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons, and billions of small chunks of ice and rock coated with other materials such as dust. Saturn makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 29.4 Earth years. It also fails star as Jupiter. It has 82 moons and it has the second biggest moon of all planets called Titan. Next is Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. It is billions of miles away from the Sun. It is the coldest planet in our solar system. It also has a faint ring around it. It has 27 moons. Next is Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun. It's the second coldest planet in our solar system. It has 14 moons. Lastly, dwarf planet. It means the small planet in our solar system. There are 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. They are Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Mycete, Ceres. Ceres is in our asteroid belt, and Pluto was known as the 9th planet in our solar system until 2006, when the scientists says it is a dwarf planet. And thank you for